Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily check if your Windows laptop or PC needs to update. First, you're going to go into Settings in the bottom left hand corner, and you're going to select Start, then select Settings. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, and you're going to select Update and Security. And then as you can see here, your Windows is up to date, but you can also select this to check for updates. If there is any current new update out. And if there is any new update out, it will pop up right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.